Here I have CAVION Base 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, let's select language. Let's select English because it's written in some unknown language. Let it be English. Then tap Start. Then you can connect SIM card, but if you don't have any SIM card on you can just skip this step for now and connect SIM card anytime later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any opened Wi-Fi network around you can just skip this step for now and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you can set up date and time. Then you can enter your phone's name. Then you can set up protection for your device. It could be pattern, PIN, password, or you can just skip this step and do this anytime later in settings if you need this feature. Then you have Google services. If you want them, you can just leave them. If you don't want them, you have an opportunity to disable them right now, as I do. But in any case, you will have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy, of course. And your device is ready to use. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.